lights on. You missed out a good. Yeah, you didn't film how bad the case was before. It's a lot hotter now than it was before. It's still burning down there too, see? But if you notice, all the Tribodine is not pissing out blue like it used to be.
Oh, yeah.
But I still see some in there. See, the racer kind of gold color.
Yeah.
So we're just barely hitting 600 degrees. Tribodine, I guess, melts right in that area. It looks like, see, it's still dripping fluid out of it.
Yes.
That means it needs more heat. I couldn't tell how hot it was, but I didn't want to turn these all blue in here. It's about that hot. How long was that sizzle?
That was pretty good.
Yeah. So the insert in here is slightly loose, so we're going to try to get all the oil out of it so we can glue it in there. I need some more heat. I didn't get hot enough. See, it's still pissing blue out of it. I'd put more cleaner in there, but that'd have to cool the whole case back down to do that.
Shit.
Might be warm. See, it's pissing. She's still pissing blue out of it. You try to blow on it, maybe blow some out. She might be warm though. Do you think it's warm?
Just a little bit.
There we go. Put my hot glove on because it might be hot. It's bleeding blue. Does that mean it's from Mars?
Yes.
I'm thinking there's still a bunch of oil in there that we didn't get out yet. Tribodine has a pretty hot cook-off temperature, it looks like. I didn't get the cases out, I did. Even though it's burning good, we didn't get enough out. So, it's loose on this side too. What a shocker. See how it pisses out of both sides?
Yeah.
Now the hotter you make the case, the more the insert becomes loose.
Oh, good.
Oh, hear it moving?
Yep.
See it moving?
Damn it.
Yeah, I told you it was loose. Yeah, it's loose.
It's very loose, yeah.
It moves. You get it hot enough, it gets loose. The thing is, we gotta get the oil out of that damn thing so we can get Loctite in there. I think we're gonna have to pin it maybe, because this is loose. I didn't know how loose it'd be when you get it hot, but obviously it gets hot, it gets loose. This is not normal operating temperature though. Going out the other side pretty heavy. I think I'm going to cool the case off. I'm going to soak it some more and try to thin out that Tribodine. That stuff's good stuff. It don't like going away.
It does not.
In this case, that's a bad thing. Running your bike, it's a good thing, but in this case, it's not good. I'm trying to get that crap out of there. See, it just keeps coming out, coming out. We got to keep doing this until I put this blue out. Then we know it's clean. Then we can put goop in it. Yep. Probably hot. Probably shrunk in now. It's not moving no more.
Fixed.
Well, steel doesn't grow, aluminum does, so there you go. Makes a difference. It's loose, but it's not real loose. Like I said, I think the Loctite would hold it because that's nowhere near operating temperature. If your case is running 600 degrees temperature, I'm thinking the motor's gone.
Probably have other problems.
Yeah. It's not moving anymore. Alright, we're back. I'm going to clean this up some more.